introduction about India, which is using the top most five we are using are wind, nuclear energy, fossil fuel, solar energy, and hydroelectricity. These five top energies which we get in our India are mostly used. As India have been using, number one is wind energy. In 2013, wind have been used rarely because due to the monsoon season we are using rarely. And in solar energy have been number 2, nuclear number 3, and fossil number 4. As you can see here, when we are using hydroelectricity rarely because it have been using much electricity, and in solar energy it should be rarely used because we are in equatorial region in India, but we are using less of it because it is causing much of bill which is not helpful for the people, and we are using now in India wind only. So this is my introduction, and I will show you now my processes. As you can see here, in hydropower plant, when this is the river, as water intakes into the velocity, the control gate opens and the water goes inside through the turbine. This turbine rotates as it is a fluid, and it outflows. And it is only works when the velocity of the river will be in high speed. And you can see here in fossil fuels starts from the ID fans, where all the products, storage and processing will be kept here, as they keep emission collection system to the baghouse. This CFB boiler converts this fossil fuels into liquid form. As it goes to this steam turbine, they make it condenser into high degree, 400 degree each day, and it goes to the steam turbine. After steam turbine, it reaches to the HP steam, where all the mechanical power reached up to the nuclear fission and makes into transformer. And this is how it works. And it takes 2 days to produce electricity. As you can see, nuclear energy, same as the fossil fuels, from A to L you can see the processes. But we can see in nuclear energy, uranium will be, as you can see in uranium, only it uses only when it goes to the C part, which is called the reactor. It split out 3 parts and release the nuclear first. And here in solar energy, as you can see here, when sun flows to the solar panels, the N-type silicon and the P-type silicons together form the junction. This junction forms together to form the node and to make electricity. This electricity, when passes through this load, forms electricity to our homes. As you can see here in the whole flow, these small particles are called photons, which is released from the sunlight, and this electricity form, which is mechanical power, it shoots out a spark and forms electricity. And here in wind energy, when wind blows, this turbine rotates, and it was first invented by Charles Brush. This Charles Brush invented the biggest one, enough to make the home electricity. When it blows, the transformer increases voltage for transmission to substation, and the substation increases voltage for transmission over long distance. This transmission goes to the grid. So as you can see here, this 5 top electricity have been using in India. So I would like to conclude by using only renewable resources such as using hydroelectricity, solar energy and wind energy, and use less fossil fuels and nuclear energy. Thank you.